Alright, so this furnace is not working. Let's find out what's going on with it. Not a lot of spots. Or beams for my feet. Lamp. This bag after 4 years is trashed. And the zipper stays shut. Let's see. I don't see any lights. Oh, it's a different board. Let's see. Oh, there's something, but I can't see it all the way up there. Oh, still has power. Door switches jumped out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think there's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lockout due to no ignition. Okay? Alright, it's whitened. Come on, light. Oh, look. I replaced the inducer in 2010 and the pressure switch. Nice. Nashy nash, nashy nash. There we go. Reset power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inducer. Now we're just waiting to see the voltage. If we have voltage, board not sending power, or the igniter is no good. Boom, I got power. So now we should see it glowing. Nothing, and there's power. You would think it'd be glowing already, at least it's starting to glow. Bad igniter. There goes gas. Four 1K56. That's low voltage. That's not a low voltage board. Great. Alright. Get to this igniter. 2 screws comes out. Loosen these. these things break so easy. These are better than the old ceramics, but look at that thing. It's toasted. Also, it's a low voltage, getting 120. So let me go get an igniter. So let's get this out of here. I should read open line. Open line. Got the bad igniter. Alright. This on the side so it doesn't break and shatter all over the place. Now the new one. Yeah, where it burns is going to hit it, so. No go. One of these brackets will make it work. I move it that far over. Let's put it down to safety. Alright, so I made a little modification, make it fit. Now let's be really gentle with it. It's going to go in this way. Yep. Okay. Keep your eye on the prize. Here we go. Let's get this done. Alright, now we gotta be really gentle. The wire back out of the way. Put that right there for a second. No power tools for this part. Do not hit anything. Right there. No. Different screw. There we go. Yeah, that's the drill. All right. Good. It's like working with an egg. Break the shell so easy. Alright, that's in. Good. Now, what I'm going to do, take this, splice it in here. I like having the plug to test. There we go. I'm not in attics a lot, and the insulation's getting my throat. Boom. There we go. Now, nope. This was here once upon a time. So, first, let me see. Alright, and then there was one right here somewhere. I wish, okay, well, one screw's here. The rest of them are gone from what was holding this in place. Part of me wants to put it back. Don't fit. Okay, whatever. I'd have to go downstairs and get something. Here we go. Let's test it. Back on. Come on, there we go. Alright, the inducer's on, pressure switch makes, board's timing out. That's going to send power to my igniter. Boom. power. Now my igniter's glowing almost instantly since power is applied. There we go. And now let's put the gas back on or nothing's gonna happen. And we got ignition. What a beautiful thing. Alright, the heat's back on. Now that was easy. If only the bracket lined up 100% perfect and didn't have to be a little modified, it would have been 1, 2, 3. Well, till next time, I'm out.